Hello students, today we will continue with the chapter number 2, acid, bases and salt. Right, in this category today we will learn about washing soda. What is the chemical formula of washing soda? The formula of washing soda is Na2CO3.10H2. Is it clear? Na3CO3.10H2. Now, what is the chemical name? The chemical name of washing soda is sodium carbonate decahydrated salt. Deca means 10. Deca means 10. This is sodium carbonate decahydrated. Hydrated means water. So sodium carbonate decahydrated salt is also called washing soda. Now how it is prepared? Preparation of washing soda. How it is prepared? It is prepared by crystallization of sodium carbonate. Right? How it is taking place? You take the sodium carbonate, add the water, right? Heat. Then what will happen? Sodium carbonate along with dot 10 H2O molecules. Right? So these 10 H2O molecules are not chemically attached. If they chemically attached, then the bonding will be taking place, but they are not attached chemically. Once you heat this salt, what will happen? The water will get evaporate. Right? Now, so this is what the preparation. What are the uses? Right? What are the uses? It is used in paper industry. It is used in soap industry. It is also used in removing permanent hardness of water. Permanent hardness of water. It is also used as a cleaning agent for domestic purpose. Right? So these are 4 uses. It is very easy to learn. You can learn the first word PSPHC. By this you can learn the uses of washing soda. How you can learn? P for paper industry, S for soap industry. It is also used to remove permanent hardness of water. It is also used as a cleaning agent in domestic purpose. Now we can recap. Washing soda, the chemical formula of washing soda is Na2CO3.10H2O. The chemical name of washing soda is sodium carbonate decahydrate. Deca means 10, hydrate means water. How it is prepared? It is prepared by crystallization of water. Right? How it is done? Sodium carbonate plus H2O equal to sodium carbonate dot 10s2. It is prepared. Where it is used, you can learn PSPHC in paper industry, in soap industry, as to remove permanent hardness of water, and also used as a cleaning agent in domestic purpose. Now, I hope it is clear. Our next topic is plaster of Paris. Right? In short, it is also known as POP. The first point is, what is the chemical formula of POP? Is calcium sulfate, calcium sulfate hemihydrate, calcium sulfate hemihydrate, right? Dot is to be visible. Now, what is the chemical name? Chemical name is calcium sulfate hemihydrate salt. Calcium sulfate, hemi means half, hydrated means water, right? So it is a salt contain half of the water molecules, calcium sulfate, right? How it is prepared? How it is prepared? How it is prepared? So preparation. It is prepared by heating of gypsum, right? What is gypsum? Here you can see calcium sulfate dot 2H2 when heated. See, calcium sulfate, it is gypsum dot 2H2. Now we need half H2, right? So what we have to do? We have to heat up. When we heat up, what is that? Calcium sulfate dot half H2 plus 1.5 H2 remove, right? And we get plaster of Paris by heating of gypsum. Now, what is the property? Very important. Sometimes question becomes from here also. What are the properties? Very important properties is it is kept in air tight containers. Why? Why it is kept in airtight container? Because once it is exposed into air, once it is exposed into moist air, it again regain the water molecules and become hard gypsum. Now the reaction will be like this: calcium sulfate dot half H2 plus 1.5 H2 equal to calcium sulfate dot 2H2. It is what? Gypsum. And it is what? POP, plaster of Paris. Now you can recap. Plaster of Paris, in short, POP. Chemical formula calcium sulfate dot half H2. Chemical name calcium sulfate hemihydrated salt. How it is prepared? By heating of gypsum. This is gypsum calcium sulfate dot 2H2O. When heat up, it gives POP calcium sulfate half H2O plus 1.5 H2O. What is the properties? It is kept in airtight container. Why? Because once it is exposed into moist air, it will again regain the water molecules and convert it into hard gypsum. Right? Now, where it is what is the use? The last here it is. Uses. What are the uses of plaster of Paris? Now see, it is used to fix the bones or fracture. Number one. Number two, it is also used to make the toys like car, bus, etc. It is also used to decorate the ceiling of room. रूम की सीलिंग को भी डेकोरेट करने में इसका यूज होता है. Right? Now the POP is completed. Let's move to the next topic. Now the next topic is water of crystallization. What is the water of crystallization? It is fixed number of water molecules present in one formula unit of salt. Right? For example, see copper sulfate dot 5H2O. The color of copper sulfate is blue color. Right? It is also known as blue vitriol. Right? Blue vitriol. Here you can see the 5H2O molecules, water molecules are there in the with the copper sulfate, right? And its color is blue. Next is, this is example number 1. This is example number 2. Iron sulfate dot 7H2O. Its color is pale green color. Right? Next, just we have seen washing soda, sodium carbonate dot 10H2O. Its color is colorless. Before that, we have seen calcium sulfate dot half H2O. It is what? It is plaster of Paris. The name I will write over here. It is colorless. It is what? Washing soda. Or else names will be writing over there. It is colorless. It is white in color. And the last, which we have just seen, calcium sulfate dot 2H2O. It is also white color. Right? In all the cases, you will find there are fixed number of water molecules. Right? This is called water of crystallization. This is called water of crystallization. Here is the name. This is also called blue vitriol. It is also called green vitriol. Sometimes the formula is asked by the name. Right? It is washing soda. It is POP. It is gypsum. Right? Sometimes the chemical name is asked. What is the chemical name of blue vitriol? The chemical name of blue vitriol is copper sulfate 5, means pentahydrated salt. Here you can see I am writing over here copper sulfate and how many water molecules? 5. Pentahydrated salt. This is the name of blue vitriol. Similarly, what is the name of this green vitriol? The name of green vitriol is iron sulfate 7, means heptahydrated salt. What is the chemical name of washing soda? Sodium carbonate decahydrated 10, means decahydrated salt. What is the chemical name of POP? Calcium sulfate hemihydrated, means half H2O. What is the chemical name of gypsum? Calcium sulfate dihydrated salt. Right? So in this way, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much.